Hello students, all is well. Welcome back to computer class. This is Durgesh Pandey, your computer teacher. So students, in the previous video, you have studied about how can we insert pictures, how can we insert clip art and how can we insert word art in our document. In this video, we will learn about how can we insert shapes and how can we insert symbols in our document. So let's start. So first we will learn about how can we insert shapes in our document. So students, Word allow you to insert various shapes in your document. This feature of Word is very useful as it lets you improve the presentation of a document by including diagrams and other figures. You can insert various shapes in Word such as lines, rectangle and arrow by using the Insert tab. The shapes in Word divided into 6 main categories: lines, basic shapes, block arrows, flowchart, callouts and stars and banners. So students, to insert a shape in your document, you can follow the given steps. First step is click on the Insert tab. Okay, so you have to click on the Insert tab. This is the first step. Second step is click on the down arrow next to the shape option under the illustration group. You can see that in the diagram. This is your second step. Okay, when you click on the shape option, then a list will appear with various shapes. Now third step is select the desired shape. This is your third step. You can choose any shape. Now fourth step is move the mouse pointer to the document area and click and drag the mouse to draw the shape. So dear students, when you click on the inserted shape, the format tab appears automatically on the ribbon. You can see that in the diagram. The format tab has various options for formatting shape. You can see that, like shape style, shape fill, shape outline, shape effect and so on. Format tab, you can format your shape. You can also add text into the shape. To add the text, select the shape and start typing. Okay. Now we will learn how can we insert symbols in our document. So students, Word also allow you to insert some special symbols in a document that are not present on the keyboard. There are many symbols you might often see in publication that are not directly available from your keyboard. For example, the copyright symbols is not available on the keyboard. There are so many mathematical symbols like pi, sigma that are not present on the keyboard, but you can insert it from the Word symbol dialog box. So dear students, to insert a symbol in your Word document, you can follow the given steps. First step is place the cursor at the position where you want to insert a symbol. You can see that in the diagram. So place the cursor at the position where you want to insert symbol. Second step is click on the Insert tab. You can see that in the diagram. You have to click on the Insert tab. Third step is click on the symbol options. This is your third step. When you click on the symbol option, a drop down list will appear. You can see that in the diagram. Now fourth step is choose a symbol you want from the drop down list. You can select any symbol which you want from this drop down list, or click on the more symbol option if the symbol you want is not in the drop down list. Okay, so you can click on the more symbol option. When you click on the more symbol option, symbol dialog box is displayed. You can see that this is symbol dialog box. Now choose an appropriate font from this symbol dialog box and select the desired symbol. Then click on the Insert button. and at the last click on the close button. So these are very simple steps to insert a symbol in your Word document. So dear students, I hope you have understood the concept of how can we insert shapes and how can we insert symbols in our Word document. I will coming soon with new video and new chapter. Till that time, bye bye.